Come eat sushi damu all you can eat with us. Yay!
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
This is the special bone apple tea. Look at this.
Too yum.
Tuna nigiri. Tuna cut roll.
Because it's like a metal thing here. Like when
Tuna
you
sashimi.
put the food to your mouth, add it to my mouth to the food. And I kept eating all you can eat.
Takoyaki. This basically has octopus inside it.
I was like this. And I was
It's like gooey inside and battery and yummy.
They gave us more. Oh my goodness. Too beautiful.
Wait.
This is omakase style salmon sashimi.
So good.
This is the octopus carpaccio.
those.
Wow.
I have no idea what I'm eating, but this looks good.
Falling out.
Wow, dragon breath.
That's crazy. That's crazy. This is called the spicy ABG. Let's try this crab one. I don't know what it is either. Dragon's breath. It has cream cheese on it, and it was on fire when they delivered it to us.
And Simon was like, I was like, Simon, is this ribs? I replied on the phone, meow.
Spicy tuna hair roll.
Eat what?
Over under 2 bites? 2 bites.
Last but not least, yes.
Tuna. Our server's name is Jacob, but I call him Jacob. No, I just decided that he was gonna be my friend, so I was like, Jacob.
He decided he wants to.
I decided
Stop
that.
getting your big ass germies on it.
No,
I
I was,
can't grab it. Oh, there's 2 of them. Oh, that's
Bye guys, say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Mwah.